so I'm making this video at the hair salon because I forgot to do it earlier. If you know me, you know that I get my hair professionally straightened every few months. I started doing keratin first, and then the Japanese Brazilian mix, which is my favorite so far. It lasts about 8 months. And then as a touch-up, the Brazilian, which is what I got 5 months ago. And as you can see, it holds up pretty well. But my hair does grow fast, so you start seeing the crease of where it's growing out. And then the bottom layers start to frizz. So I found a salon here in Guadalajara that does a porcelain treatment that doesn't use chemicals, supposedly, and it lasts up to 5 months. So I haven't found a place that does the Japanese treatment here. So you can, this is the biggest thing. So I'll show you the after. I'll let you know. Hello, so here I am almost done with the treatment, and so far I'm very impressed with the fact that there are no fumes. When I get the Japanese Brazilian combo, I wear like a face mask and then a KN95 and then another cloth mask over it, and not because of COVID, because of the fumes, and safety glasses. And even then, if the fumes seep through the safety glasses or through the masks, there is tingling and itchy and watery eyes going on. So I'm very surprised that this product really, it doesn't smell, and I'm not wearing any sort of mask. The lady that's applying the product isn't even wearing gloves, which she says it's because the product is very safe and it doesn't irritate the skin. There's no irritating factors, and it's just been a series of shampooing the hair a couple times to get rid of everything, all the buildup, and then it's applying this little purple liquid, wrapping it in plastic, sitting in heat for 20 minutes. This is the 3rd time, and I think after this is the wash. But it's a lot different than all the other things that I've had done, so I don't know, we'll see. Hello, I'm back, and I want to show you my hair. So as you can see, the crease is gone, and it is very straight. Because it is freshly done, it's like stick straight. My bangs are growing out. So once I shower and let it air dry, I do like that it's not sticky or heavy with product. It feels really good. As far as shine, I do feel like the Japanese Brazilian combo leaves it more shiny, but we'll see how it air dries. That's the big one, because I don't like blow drying, I don't like straightening it. I want to see what it looks like air dried, but this is just freshly done. So I'm very happy with it. And let's talk numbers. So the keratin treatment that I've done it about 2-3 times back home, was $400 without tip. So for about this length, it was about $400. The Japanese Brazilian combo, it was $185 per hour plus $150 or more for the product. So the first time I did it, that my hair was around here, turned out to be about $625, and then it grew a little bit more. Got it done about 8 months later, and it was $675. And then the last time that I did it was about here, the length, and it was about $725, $725 USD. And then with the tip, it was more than that, but I'm talking no tip. On average, if I average all of the times I got my hair done, It's about $650 USD to get my hair done back home. Here for this treatment, which is said to last 5 months, 6 months if you take really good care of it. Anyway, the grand total for this is 1,800 pesos, Mexican pesos, which translates to just under 100 USD. So this was almost $100, and for something similar to last the 5 months, it would be at least $550 up to $700. So just wanted to give you guys an idea of the beauty services and the cost. It's always been $525 to, what did I say? $775? Gosh dang it.